In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply and adjust audio effects in your project, and then share your work online effortlessly. To get started, open your audio project and select the track you want to work on. This is crucial because you need a specific track to apply effects effectively without affecting the integrity of the overall project. Once you've highlighted your chosen track, look for the Effects button. This button is your gateway to enhancing and experimenting with various sound attributes, allowing you to tailor your track just the way you like. A quick tip here, you can also press the letter E on your keyboard as a shortcut to open the Real-Time Effects panel, saving you a little time and effort. With the panel now open, go ahead and click on Add Effect. You'll find a list of effects to choose from. Depending on your needs, whether you want to amplify, distort, or refine your audio, pick the effect that aligns with your desired outcome. This stage is where creativity meets technicality, as each effect offers a unique way to alter your sound. Now comes the exciting part, playing your track and adjusting the effects controls in real time. Go ahead and press play. As the audio rolls, tweak the settings of the effect to see how it changes the sound. This will help you get a feel for what the effect can do. The beauty of real-time adjustments is that you can instantly hear what each change does to your audio, making it easier to find that perfect sound. Don't rush this part. Take your time to carefully adjust and listen until you're happy with the results. Once you're satisfied with how your track sounds, it's time to share your creation with the world. When you're ready, look for the Share Audio option. It's usually represented by a cloud icon. Alternatively, you can go to the top menu bar, select File, then navigate to Share, and choose the Upload to Audio.com option. This feature allows you to share your audio online for free, making it accessible to a wider audience. This step brings your project to fruition, letting others appreciate the work you've put in, and that's how you apply, adjust, and share audio effects with precision and ease. By following these streamlined steps, you're ensuring that your audio is not only polished and professionally enhanced, but also reaches the audience it deserves. Enjoy showcasing your skills and creativity online.